Hello guys, this is Louis Chris from Louis Vlogging, and this is the apologize video. And yeah, first of all, sorry. I'm so very sorry guys, and I don't have any latest video that I'm going to upload here on YouTube. And the reason why I don't have any video is because of uh, right now I have a job on my uncle. So he has got a rental, just like a uh, lot rent a lot in my area nearby. So and he going to make a business. So that's why the reason that I am very busy. So we are I'm making like shoveling the, like cleaning the entire lot, all the trees, cut trees, all of the dirt, like it will be, like flat all of the surrounding. And so that's why na I don't have any much time to make a content, and I don't want to include my content in that work area too, because we have like just for private purposes. And yeah, so I'm just follow the rules with my uncle. I don't want to make it trouble or any bad happenings. So that's why I will put it down the phone and just work. That's it. So yeah, so that's it. So that is right. That is all right now, and I don't have any special video that I'm going to make. So my last video or my last content is on the uh, private, in the remote places like uh Langkel, okay, remote places like in Davao Oriental, that is few months ago. So yeah, I already done all of my content over 1 week of content. So that is my last video that I already have. Then yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I think that's it guys, and I hope you understand my situation right now. And I'm just find some job and make some money. So that is my priority. Find a job and get money and buy some stuff. I don't know. So yeah. So I think that's it guys, and yeah, bye bye. Boost Vlogging sign off.